In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add multiple links to your Instagram bio. So in this case, if I go over to my edit profile option and then click on the links option, you can see that I can only add one link and that's it. So you cannot add more than one links to your Instagram bio. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do just that. So first step is that you want to exit Instagram. Once you do that, go over to your Chrome browser or whatever browser you're using and then search for a website called Beacons. Then search it up, and then once you find or click onto this website, click on the Start for Free option. Once you do that, it's going to ask you to add your username, so simply just add your username. And then once you're done doing that, click on the next option. And then it's going to ask you to create an account. So if you have your Google account, you can simply sign in with Google. That's going to be a much easier way to sign in. And then choose the account you'd like to sign in with. In this case, I'm just going to simply select this one. And then click on the continue button if it asks you this. And then once you're done doing that, it's going to ask you for your socials. So you can easily select Instagram. And then what you can do now is that you can simply add your Instagram username. So go back to Instagram and then get your Instagram username if you know it. You can simply just use it. So in this case, I'm just going to simply get my Instagram username. So I'm going to copy it. Once I copy it, I'm just going to return back to the Chrome browser and then insert my Instagram username, long press and paste. And then you can then click on the next. If you want to add more of your usernames of these particular platforms, you can do too. But I'm just going to do the Instagram part for this video. Then click on the next button. So that's how your profile is going to look like. And then you can easily just add some, for example, if it's all about technology, add technology in this case, mine is education. I'm just going to simply add education. And then click on this is me. If you want to add a profile photo, add a profile photo. But in this case, I'm just going to select the this is me option. Then you can select the style you want to pick. I'm just going to select this one. Then click on the next option. So it's then going to say or ask if these are your WhatsApp links. So it's just going to simply use these WhatsApp links. Just going to simply click on the next option again. And then click on the next option again. Then click on the skip for now option. Then skip for now again. Then you can easily click the X option. Now what you're gonna do now is we want to start adding our links. So go back, click on this links option right over here. As you can see, there's links to my Instagram and the beacon. But what you're gonna do now is that you want to add more links. So what you're gonna do now is you're gonna click on the add link to add more links. So for example, I want to add a link to my for example, YouTube channel. I'm just gonna simply go back to my YouTube channel and get the particular link of the YouTube channel. So in this case, let's say I want to add let's say I want to add a link to this particular video. Just gonna simply click these three dots and click on the share option, then copy link, and then go back to that beacons place right over there, and then I'm going to simply insert a link by long press, then paste, then click on the add link option right over here. Then give your link a title, for example, best video, and then click on the add link right over here. Just remove that, and then that's gonna be the link. And you can add as much links as you want by simply clicking on the add link, and you add as much links as you want. So if you can see a preview, I'm just gonna simply click on the preview option. And this is how it's going to look like. All of these are links. There's links to the best video link, links to my Instagram, links to make your own beacon page. If you're using a free plan, this is going to show up. but you can add as much links as you want by simply clicking on the add link and then adding the link of whatever you want to link to. For example, I can add something like this. I can add another link, then click on the add link again. Then I'm gonna edit my title. I'm just gonna say my website or my web, whatever. And then that's gonna be another link. If I click on the preview again, you can see I've added another link. And then what you're gonna do now is that you can then click on the share option or copy this link by clicking on these two pages. And that's gonna copy the link to this particular beacons page. And if I now paste this link right over here, it's going to take me over to my landing page where my audience or people will see all the links I've linked to. So as you can see, I linked to the best video, my website. If I click on the best video, it's going to take me to that particular YouTube video, right? I'm just going to return back, then go back. So once you have your landing page with all your links, what you're going to do now is that you want to return back to Instagram. So go back to Instagram, and then now you can easily go over to the links option and add external link. Then add the link rather by long pressing and then long press or long click and then paste. Then you can give it a title like all my links. Then all my links, and then click on the OK option and then go back again. And as you can see, it says one more. Then I'm just gonna see all my links. There's all my links. Then if someone clicks on it, it's going to take you to my landing page with all my links. So that's how I can easily add multiple links to your Instagram bio. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.